Hey guys, welcome to my channel, What's a Moto. My name's Nathan and I am the proud owner of the M207 Turbo. I do plan on making more videos in the future with the M207, a walk around, a comparison video, maybe even a drag run against an M209. Having said that, I have decided to put some more content out, something a little bit different that combines water and motorcycles, and that's stand-up jet ski racing. It's something I've wanted to do for a very long time from a young kid, and now that I'm finally at a point in my life where I can have the funds to be able to try this, I've decided why not, let's give it a go. And the craft that I've decided to buy is a 550 SX Kawasaki, which is a vintage ski. So for those of you that don't know, the 550 Kawasaki scene is actually building quite a bit of an interest. It's gaining more popularity. My overall goal is to start from a very novice level, which I am at. So to begin from a novice and hopefully progress into a level which is hopefully good enough to be able to race in these events and get around these circuits without killing myself too much or taking anybody else off. So come with me today. I will show you where I am at currently. I'm going to be chasing some of those boys. I'm going to be learning to carve, maybe get my ass down on the water. I'm going to be doing a lot of falling off. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the process. I hope you enjoy the journey with me, going from beginner to hopefully an intermediate. And I'm going to be documenting this whole process of me learning and me racing in this category and having a good time, the lads. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. Join me on the trip. First attempt at a speed run. There we go. So it's time for a bit of a coffee break, bit of a snack. I'm absolutely drained, but I'm absolutely loving it at the same time. This weather today isn't the greatest. I apologise also about the audio on the camera if it's a bit too windy. But what I'm really seeming to struggle with is when turning, sometimes I seem to be skidding out. I don't know if that's because I'm coming off throttle too much, or if maybe I'm putting on throttle too much. So I'm trying to find a happy medium to keep that back end from skidding out. I'm also trying to lean a little bit more into it and trying to go in a little bit more nose heavy on the front. So yeah, it's hard to work out. Everybody's got their own tips on what to do. So I guess really it's just play with it and just find out. So guys, if you have any tips for me, just let me know. I'd love to hear it.